2. Go, Sloan. 1-1. Hey, you got this little golf ball outside? Okay.
Point.
Go 5. Let's go, Lugo. Come on. Come on.
Or if it's the phone or the camera.
Oh, wait, it's in the wagon. Hey, let's go now, 5. Tuck it up, big field. Tuck it up. Let's go. 0-3.
You got this, Tony.
Come on, Sloan. Let's go. 5. Let's go. Exit all the way back. Let's go, Sloaney.
Gotta love it, kid. Gotta love it.
Make a pitch to you. Make a pitch to you.
Reno.
Come on, son. 4-4. 2-4-4. Let's go, Sloan. Hey, Mom, we'll go. Go, go, go. Get there, get there, get there. Watch 2, watch 2. Go. Get it. Hey, she got it, she got it. Hold on. Hey, way to move, yeah, way to move. Watch 3. Hey, let's go 1-4. Watch 7 down. Yeah, watch your butt, kid, right? Watch your butt. Let's go, you're one! Nice pitch. Nice
Alright, get the rest of it now. Come on.
Know where you're going, infield. Know where you're going, right? Let's go. We're going 1, right? We're going 1. Oh, you all right?
Take it off. Walk it off.
Take a minute. Take a minute. Take a minute.
Good.
You alright? Alright, protect the plate now.
Hey, let's go now. Let's go. Come on, girls. Go 1. Nice pitch.
All right. Take it off.
Nice pitch, kiddo.
Great places with her, Kay.
Let's go, 3.
Hey, take it off, kid.
Hey, let's go 1-7. You got it, kid.
Good next time.
Alright, Kay, let's go.
Alright, Kay, let's go
Hey,
now.
1 out.
Hey, let's go, Kay.
Oh, sugar.
Let it go foul. Catch it.
Bubble.
Thanks, Kay. That was a great effort, but I didn't help much.
Yes, you did.
No.
What?
All right. Take it off. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Okay, you're charging hard, right, kid? Charging hard. If need be. You're good.
Break this up.
When we're the only 2 people talking,
Nice pitch.
All right, Blue. All right, Blue.
Blue, you all right? Foul?
it doesn't even matter if I was wrong.
Let's go, Kaylin. You got it. Come on, Kaylin. Take it off. You got it.
Bigger tag zone. Let's go, Kay.
Roll it.
Get that ball.
Good job, girls.
Nice solid. Go, Kay.
Let's go, slow. Let's go, Sloaney.
You all right? Scary a little bit?
Yeah, I think that's probably.
There it is. There it is. Come on, Adeline. Let's go.
Down.
Good eye, though.
All right, you got 2. You got 2. Let's get the last one, girls. Let's go. You're going 1. Let's go to 1.
Alright, 1-6. Let's go now.
Here you go, Bree. Let's go 1-6.
Behind.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Way to move, girls. Way to move.
Good hustle, Willie.
Drop and block, kid. Drop and block. You got a girl on 3, okay?
Let's go, Sal. Oh.
Got it.
Let's go, Bray. You got it. Run.
Go. You're only allowed to run it once.
Yeah, I got that.
You get 3 times, you get a hat
The
trick,
ball made
though.
that big place.
Automatic
Did it
double.
hit the ground and come back up?
If you can dribble all the way down the line, you can go.
Hey, now you see it, Leah.
Yeah, I thought it hit her.
Free, you got it.
Let's go now.